3 facts about spiders. Meet our 8-legged friends, spiders. They're not just your Halloween decoration, they serve a crucial role in our ecosystem. Fact 1. Spiders are true artists. They create intricate webs, a pure display of architectural genius, to trap their prey. Fact 2. They have superpowers. Some spiders can regenerate lost limbs, practically making them real-life superheroes. Fact 3. Spiders are nature's pest control. They help maintain the balance by feeding on insects, reducing the population of pests. So next time you meet a spider, remember, they're not just creepy crawlies, they're fascinating creatures.